It's time to install WordPress. This process isn't quite as simple from within this control panel as when using paid hosting providers, but it's still relatively easy to follow. Once you're on this page, let's scroll down. Under the software section, open the Softoculous Apps Installer. Once we're on this page, you should see WordPress under the top scripts section. Find it, and then click Install. Here, you'll see your domain in this dropdown, and I'm going to click Quick Install to change some of our settings down here. Scroll down to this Admin Account section. Here we'll create login information that we'll use when we want to edit our WordPress site. I'll click here to enter a new username, then I'll hide this password and change it. I'll keep this admin email as it's the same email that I signed up for InfinityFree with. I'm going to scroll down and then click Install. And in my testing, this finishes very quickly. And here we have a summary. I'm going to right click on this link and open it in a new tab. If we go up, you can see that our domain has changed from the parking page that InfinityFree initially displayed. This is a good indication that our WordPress install was successful. Let's close this. And then below our domain is our administrative URL. You can see it's the same with the exception of this /wp admin. Let's copy this full domain, right click, copy, come up to a new tab, and paste. From this WP admin page, we can log in using the credentials that we just created. This was the admin username, and then I'll enter my password here and log in. Great. Now we've logged into WP admin, and this is where we can control our WordPress site.